All right, so I want to show you guys my FIFINE boom mic setup, and actually I'm using it right now. I have it plugged into my iPhone 17. The cord's wrapped around here, but I'll unplug it in a minute and you'll hear what the phone sounds like raw. I am approximately 24 inches away from the microphone. I have it actually up a little high. That's my usual setting for the desktop version of this microphone, which is this right here. I bought this many years ago, I believe back in 2020. So when I had a chance to look at this, I jumped on it because I like this setup, or this microphone element and amplifier and analog to digital converter. I think it gives you a good sound, a good natural sound, without spending, $300 or $400 for one of the name brand units. But so you basically mount the head or the mic itself into this shock mount. Now I'm using this upside down because what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to utilize this for more of my studio recording. I just did a unboxing for a Bluetooth receiver using this microphone, and I basically had it sitting about right here like this, and I had the product sitting down here like this. So it worked out really well. I used it on a voiceover a couple days ago, and it basically operates exactly like the other one. I like the shock mount. Shock mounts I think you really need for a boom mic because they can pick up like when you're moving and stuff like this. Now, this is a cardioid microphone, so basically you can see the element right here like so. And let me bring my other light in here real quick, but you can see this element right here. And there we go. Okay, right in there. And the rule of thumb is you want to speak directly into the front of the microphone. I'm going to move this so it's directly facing me. Now my camera is in between me and the mic, so it's kind of, the audio's got to kind of jump through that. But the deal with a microphone like this is having this directional element here and facing you, it can get rid of some of the background noise in your room. So I have, no sound absorption, no dampening on the walls or anywhere in this room except just the carpet in the room. So in a situation like that, having something like this will help filter out echoes of noise coming through. So here's what I'll do. I'm going to show you the directionality here. What I'm going to do is just basically turn it around like this. And as you can hear, everything has changed. And so we're going to twist it back around like so. And we're like that. All right. Now I'm going to unplug it so you can hear what the raw audio sounds like. And that's the raw audio. So, yeah, it's a really nice microphone. I accidentally stumbled onto this particular microphone, like I say, many years back. I want to say 2020-ish. And I am glad I did. Tons of bang for the buck. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Thanks for watching.